Alright everyone, so this is the 1976 MR175 Elsinore. Just a brief overview of what we did is we got this new tank for it. I painted that thing, put new stickers on it. It came out pretty good. There is some fine detailing as far as like buffing compound work that could go into it some more. Make it super pretty. This hardware for the outer heat shield on the expansion chamber pipe was missing when we got the bike. We weren't able to source one of those, but yeah, we wanted to leave kind of some of the original patina wear and tear and stuff that you would normally see on the side covers, stuff like that. But definitely a good candidate for full restoration if somebody was wanting to do that. We didn't rebuild the shocks or anything like that. Did paint this heat shield as well. Painted the pegs down here, and then also the skid plate. That's a little bit dirty right now. I did ride it a little bit earlier. So we also replaced the fork tube guards here and the levers. We got some OE style grips for the bike. Put some new grips on there. And aside from that, pretty much everything else is original on this bike as far as we know. If you look at this front fender, you can tell it was sitting for a while. There's some kind of scuff marks there, and then not 100% sure if this is the original fender or not. You can see it's got the DC logo there for the DC plastics, so that may have been replaced at some point in time. Not 100% sure on that, but really this thing is in super good condition. I mean, it's still got the stickers on the wheels, so that tells you, good indicator it's a low mileage bike. And then just by the wear and tear, you can see there. So there's that. And then the sticker is missing here that says MR175 Elsinore. If you look in the lighting right, you can see where the sticker used to be there, but we weren't able to find one of those, so fortunately I'm going to be selling it without that. But take a look at the mileage here, 350.7. And yeah, the speedometer, odometer does work on this thing. Headlights work and everything. Still got all the original fasteners and stuff for the cables and wiring and things of that sort. And all of these controls seem to be original. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start this thing up for you guys so you can hear it. It usually starts first kick every time, but since I say that and I'm recording now, it probably won't, but we'll see. So yeah, this thing has not been tuned or anything like that. Did clean out the carb a couple times because it was really gunked up. But there's a ton and ton of rust inside this old tank. That is really unusable, as you can see there. So yeah, this old tank, the original one, will go with it. That's the tag for the new tank whenever we bought it. Original chain, and these things are complete junk. And we only had one grip on the bike, and it was an unoriginal one, I believe. So, yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's the Elsinore that we have here, and going to be posting it up on Marketplace and also eBay. Probably just have it on Marketplace for a while and see how that goes. But yeah, just let us know if you're interested in buying this thing. It is up for sale right now. We have it for $4,000, our best offer. And like I said, this thing is a really good candidate for full restoration. Somebody wanted to go that route or just have it for their collection. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see y'all later.